Hello there. You look like you're lost. Let me take a quick look at your tag. Oh, look, you're Hugo. What's this on the back of your tag? Tap with my phone? What's this?
Hello there. My name is Hugo Chen.
Oh, look, it's you, Hugo.
I don't know where I am.
Hey there, welcome to one of my NFC tag videos. So I hope you enjoyed the intro video with the lost and found tag for a dog. So I got this idea from a YouTube commenter on one of my previous videos on tap and go business cards. If you want to see more about that, you can check it out here. Anyway, so the idea is pretty simple. It's actually exactly like the tap and go business card idea, except this associates a YouTube video link to the particular tag. So when you see a tag like this on a collar, you can actually tap it and it'll bring you to a video of your dog saying, "Hey, help me." So sort of like the up dog, right? And this is sort of also like the air tags that has an NFC tag, but this one is customizable, and I'll put the links below on where you get this. So let's get started, okay? So first, you will need an iPhone, and you will need an NFC tag. Now, you can also use one of those NFC stickers or any of the NFC cards that you may have used for your amiibo build. I have a bunch of them because I had a previous video on amiibos, which you can also check out here. So anyway, let me grab the iPhone and let's get started. Okay, so within your iPhone, the first thing you want to do is record something of your dog or whatever video you want to put on YouTube. So you want to put the video on YouTube first, and once you're on YouTube, I would put this particular video. It's not something you want to share with your channel, so I would make it a private but viewable. So you want to go to YouTube, and you can go to your channel, and you should be able to see your videos, right? In my video list, you will not see that because it's actually, my last video is private. So you go to manage video, and you can actually see how to set the settings. You want to set the settings to unlisted. So it's not private, but unlisted. So unlisted, that means that anyone can get the link to view it, but it's not listed in any of the YouTube searches or anything like that. So this particular video for my dog is unlisted. So once you have that unlisted video uploaded into YouTube, your YouTube channel, which if there's some interest in that, please let me know and I can make a video on that as well. You need to go into your, like I said, go into your YouTube, go up to the top, go into your channel, and go into your videos, and I would say manage video, and then on the triple dots on the side, click on it, and you can see a share. Click on the share and then copy the link. Okay, once the link is copied on your scratch pad or in memory, let's go back and open up our other app. The app that we used before was called NFC Tool. And NFC Tool looks like this. It's fantastic. You can read and write NFC tags. So I have any NFC tags like this, I can read it, and I just simply put it over here and read it, and it'll tell me it's blank and so on. So, and similar to this little hard what is it, Keyfob, same thing. I can go over here, read it, click on it, and then it'll give me something there. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go in and actually program it. So we set it with URI. So how do we do that? We simply go over to Write and click on Add Record and URL/URI, and click on the enter your URI URL. Click on that and then paste it. Paste the YouTube link that you copied and click OK. Now you have one field, one record field. It's 25 bytes, and you take your tag and it says click here, write. So you click on write and you put your tag up to it to scan, and it shows good. Okay, so now the only thing you have to do is verify it works. So I'll bring back to this page. It's just the home screen, and grab my tag, approach it, and there you go. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. So I hope you find this helpful, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe, and also feel free to be creative with this method. In fact, you can use your existing, what we did last time on the Tap and Go business card. Instead of using a link to a virtual card file, you can use a link to your YouTube page. Therefore, you have a video business card. Anyway, once again, thank you for your time, and I will see you next time. Bye. Oh, one more thing. If you want to see the full video of my dog's lost dog video, it's in the link below in the descriptions. Okay, have a great day. Later. Bye.